Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Charming Shark Jewelry. So here's the box and I have my scissors right here so I can open it and show you guys what's inside. So I guess I'm just going to start opening it. I'm going to cut the sides first. Let's see what's inside. It's right there, packaged really nicely under the packing peanuts. Here it is, it's wrapped really nicely. It has a sticker that says Charming Shark on the top of it. I want to put these on like a water bottle or something. I think that would look really good. And here's the package, it just looks like this. And I'm going to unwrap it. Okay, it's very nicely packaged. Here it is. It was wrapped in wrapping paper, and look. So this is what it looks like when I opened it up. It's in these really nice little baggies, and I see another sticker. Oh, this one's really nice. It says Charming Shark on it, and it has this really cool wave. I love wave designs. Like, I have a lot of waves in my room, as you guys can see, so I really like this sticker. There's 5 baggies, so I'm gonna start off opening the first one. Here's the first one. It has like a sunflower on it, and it says Charming Shark. And then I'm just going to open this up. There's a lot of different things. I'm just going to pull each thing out one by one. This is a necklace. Open it up so you guys can see it better. But it is a black necklace with a little pineapple on it. Oh, this is super cute. So it's like a ball chain, and then it has a pineapple. It's like a matte color. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is how this one looks. Also, each thing that I'm going to be unboxing, I'll put the price somewhere on the screen. In case you like anything from this video, you can get it from their website and you'll know how much it costs. So yeah, that's this necklace. Next one in this little baggie is a little pearl necklace. It has this clasp so you can put it on. And it has a little pearl. On this one, it says pearl necklace, but under it also says something. I didn't even notice that. But it says symbolizes wisdom gained through experience. I did not notice that when I first saw it. And then the third thing. Okay, so it has 3 puka shells on it and it's blue. Kind of looks like a braided design. I love the color blue, so I'm definitely going to be wearing this a lot. To attach it, it actually has like this little thing that you just put through the loop. I'm gonna wear these pieces a lot in the summertime because I love wearing jewelry, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing these a lot. But that's this necklace. Next thing we have in this baggie is it's this necklace, and it's a choker. It's like a brown color for the necklace, but then it has all these little beads on it. These are so cute. They're like earthy tones. I really love those types of colors. So it's like green, brown. It looks something like that. I think that's super cute. So that's this one. And then that is everything in the first little baggie. So on to the next bag, we have another Charming Shark bag with the little sunflower on it. I really recommend you guys buying from them. They have super nice packaging. Their jewelry is really nice and it's good prices. So the next thing I have is this, and it's bracelets. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. One of them is like beaded with like stretchy string, and then the other ones are the ones that you can tighten. So first we have this little sunflower one, then we have this like beaded one, this other blue one that is this really cool pattern. And then we have this one that is blue and yellow. And then for the last one, it's braided and it has little beads in it. You could wear these all together or you could wear them separately, but I think these are really nice bracelets. Okay, I think this might be my favorite thing so far. Next thing in this is how this one looks. It's a really cool pattern. And to put it on, you just have to like open it, and then to tighten it, you just pull on it. Kind of like a friendship bracelet, but it's like for a necklace. And yeah, that's this one. It has a really nice pattern. So the next thing is, this is the next thing. It's a puka shell necklace. These are really nice. So it has the tag on it. It's this really pretty puka shell necklace. It's like white, so it'd match with a lot of things since there's not like a specific color on it. I really like this. And to put it on, it has like this little thing that you put through the loop, kind of like one of the other necklaces I showed earlier. This one is super cute, and I'm going to be wearing this one a lot as well. So that's what was in this little baggie. These bags are also nice because you can save them and reuse them. When I go traveling, I like to take little baggies like this. Next thing in this bag is this bracelet. Very simple and dainty. This is how it looks. It has these little blue beads and a little gold bead. And in the middle, it has a pearl bead. I love pearls, so I really like this one. And this is the packaging. It just says Charming Shark, and then this is how the back looks. I'll try this one on since I haven't tried any of them on. And you just put it on your wrist, and then you can just tighten it. Oh, it's like the same color as my nails. I just realized that. So this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it's super cute. This is how it looks from the front, and then the back is just adjustable. The next thing is this bracelet, and I actually really like it. It has the Charming Shark tag on it, but the colors on this one I really like. I think I'm going to have to try this one on too. And then this is how it looks close up. I definitely recommend you guys get this bracelet. It's so pretty. I really like this bracelet. At the end, I'll tell you guys what is my favorite. I don't know yet, but I have some ideas of which ones are my favorite. And also they have more colors on their website, so if you don't like this color, they have other colors to choose from, and you just take it off like that and then put it back on. So that's this one. Oh, this is super cute. It looks like this. It has a little turtle on it, and it has the Charming Shark packaging. And then on the back, it has like two different types of colors. So it has like brown and blue at the same time. Not even realize that. So to put this on and off, the turtle is like the clasp. So to take it off, you gotta put the turtle through the little loop. As you guys can see, I just put the turtle through, and that's how the clasp is. That is super cool. I didn't even realize that when I first saw it. And you just put the turtle back through. I really like the color of this bracelet, and then there's the back again. The next bracelet looks like this, and it just says Hope on it, and it has these really fun little beads, and it's the same thing. You can make it bigger or smaller. I really like bracelets like this, that way you can size them to your wrist. That's this one. It just says Hope with these little beads, and then it has other little fun colored beads with a purple adjustable string. And then the next bracelet actually goes really well with the other one I just showed, but it looks like this. It has a gold little dolphin on it, and the string is like braided, so it looks like that. And then this one is also adjustable as well, so you can make it bigger or smaller. I think these two go really well together. Like, I'm probably gonna wear these together since they're the same color string. So here is the fourth bag. It's the little sunflower Charming Shark. I forgot to say, but this is what the back of it looks like. And then I just open it up. This is a bracelet, and it just looks like this. Once again, adjustable, which is really nice. And also, I forgot to show you guys, but on the inside, it looks like that. So it's this fun little pattern: red, dark blue, white, and light blue. The necklace and the bracelet kind of match because they're both like red colors. Next thing is in this baggie is this bracelet. Oh, this kind of reminds me of the pink one. So it looks like this, except it's in black. There's the tag once again. I think this bracelet is nice, so it can match with anything since it is just black, so you can wear it with whatever you want. So this is how the two of them look. I would even wear them together. I think they look really cool together. Next thing in here is this bracelet, but this one is blue, and it has these little beads on this part, and it has blue beads and a little gold bead. This kind of reminds me of like waves. I don't really know why, probably because it's blue, but it's adjustable, as you guys can see. I'm gonna try this one on because I really like it. They have really nice packaging. This is how it looks. They're adjustable in the back, and they have these little strings. Also, on both of these, they have like a little bead on the bottom of them. But that's how this one looks. I really like it. And then the last thing in this baggie is this bracelet. Oh, this one's really nice. And then it has these little beads. I know that these beads, there's a name for this type of pattern. I just don't know the name of it. But they have that pattern, and then these ones are white. This one, to attach it, has a little bead, so you just put it through the loop, and it has two loops once again, so you can make it bigger or smaller. And that's everything in those bags, and there's one more bag to open. This bag feels a little bit different, so I'm not really sure what's inside of it, so let's see. So I'm opening it up. Oh, it's stickers. Okay, I'm gonna go through these. So the first one, it says Charming Shark. I'm definitely going to put these on like a notebook or a water bottle or something. They're really cute. Okay, in the comments down below, I want you guys to tell me which one of these is your favorite. And I'll tell you guys which one's my favorite, but I gotta see them first, obviously. So first we have this Charming Shark one, and it has a little shark and then the logo on it. Next one, it looks like this. It says Charming Shark on the top. Looks like a shark mouth, and then okay, this one's really cool. Oh, I like this one. It's a surfboard. I like surfboards, as you guys can see. But it's a little surfboard. Oh, I really like this one too. Okay, so this one is like, I think these are called like Vans. I don't really know. But it looks like this. I love the colors on this one. And it has like a little surfboard on the top. Next one is this pineapple, and it says Charming Shark on it once again, but it just goes around the pineapple. Also, sorry if I keep saying the same word over and over again, but this next sticker looks like this, and it has like a wave. I love this color. And then it has like the sun in the back and these little plants. This next one is this little skull hand like this, and it has a really cool tie-dye design in the background. I really like the color patterns on these. And then this one says Stay Wild Moon Child, and it has a moon, but it also has little flowers inside the moon, and on the bottom it just says Charming Shark. And then this next one says Adventure, and it has a paper airplane, and it says Charming Shark on the bottom. And this next one is a peach, and it has like swimsuit bottoms on it, and it says Beach Bum Charming Shark. I think my favorite has to be this one. Their website in my description box in case you guys want to order anything from them. They have a lot of cool things like bracelets and necklaces, and they also have more colors, but these are just the colors that I got. My favorite thing for jewelry was either this bracelet pack, I love these colors, or this bracelet. Also because I love the color of it. Comment down below what your favorite jewelry thing that I unboxed was as well, because I really want to see which one was your guys' favorite. But that is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!